Good morning, this is CoasterJaminPhotos and we're at Rapterra for Media Day. Take a ride on this brand new, beautiful Bulger and Maveyard launch swing coaster here at King's Dominion.
Oh.
You ready?
Yep. It's gonna be so much fun. Oh yeah, here we go.
So the first part here, the launch, I believe it's up to 62 and then the giant wing over, so here we go! Woo!
Oh yeah!
Full wing over.
Yep.
And you get a dive loop. The dive loop back towards Tunfield, up and over the queue line. Then back down. Wrap around the entrance plaza here. Dive down, corkscrew, roll to the right. Nice little airtime pop here. And one of my favorite elements of the ride here is a slow left-hand roll. Beautiful hang time there. And that's Rapterra at King's Dominion. Come out here and ride it.